Now, ahead of the Punjab elections, tensions have increased between the Punjab Deputy Chief Minister Sukhjinder Randhawa and the SGPC and the Akal Takht. The SGPC chief has hit out at Randhawa for objecting to the Akal Takht Jathedar calling to strengthen the Akali Dal. Let's go across for more on this to Amandeep. Amandeep, good morning. We have seen, barbs being traded between these two for a while now, but today it has peaked a bit. Tell us more.
Well, Nupur, the point is that Sukhjinder Singh Randhawa and SGPC, they both are training guns against each other. And in fact, now in a latest letter from SGPC, questions Sukhjinder Singh Randhawa's involvement into Sikh religion and Sikh institutions entire issue. And in fact, they have also suggested Sukhjinder Singh Randhawa to stay separate from this entire issue just because Congress party is being branded for 1984 Operation Blue Star. That was clearly mentioned in that letter, and in fact SGPC advocate Sukhjinder Singh Dhami asked him that politics should not be there just because SGPC and Akal Takht is all dealing with the Sikh religion and there should be no politics, and Sukhjinder Singh Randhawa is forcibly dragging the politics and even reminded him what the Congress party had done to Punjab in 1984. So this is the kind of face-off that has been begun after SGPC Akal Takht Jathedar Gyani Harpreet Singh given the comment for to strengthen the Shromani Akali Dal. Later, so Sukhjinder Randhawa, Deputy Chief Minister, hit out and write a letter to Akal Takht Jathedar that they should not promote any political party just because it is a Sikh institution. And now SGPC hit back to Sukhjinder Singh Randhawa regarding the same, reminding him 1984 and in fact ask him to stay separate from this entire issue just because politics is not there and there should not be any kind of politics into the Sikh institutions. But Sukhjinder Singh Randhawa from the very first day is allegedly asking that SGPC is completely controlled and driven by Shromani Akali Dal, and that is the reason now near to the polls they are trying to promote Shromani Akali Dal so that the voters can be wooed towards Akali Dal. So inclination should be there just because Punjab is heading to polls and Congress, Akali Dal all are making their all efforts to get their vote bank. So that is the reason. Now Sukhjinder Singh Randhawa versus SGPC is the situation on the political grounds of Punjab.
So war of words actually ensuing between the two. We'll have to wait and watch out for how bitter it gets. Thank you very much for joining us this morning.